Alright YouTube, what's going on? Nate with another video, and in today's video we're going to be talking about another free traffic source that you can use to gain traffic to your website or your YouTube channel. So let's get into it. So the first thing you want to do is that now once you're in Pinterest, you want to use the search bar and search for a niche that you're interested in. So like dogs, cats, fitness, whatever. Search for that and you'll be able to see a bunch of pins which are basically images that people have uploaded to Pinterest, images of the things that they're interested in that niche. Once you enter a word into the search bar, you should be able to narrow down the search results to a few sections, and one of those sections is boards. If you go to the board section, then when you search let's say cats and you set the results to only be boards, you will receive a window where everything on the page is just a bunch of boards relating to the cat niche or the dog niche. So once you see all of those boards, you want to look for boards that have a lot of followers. By going after the accounts with a lot of followers, you now are giving yourself access to a bunch of people that are interested in the niche that you're in. So now you can go into the account and start to follow the people that are in that board, that are following that board. And by following them, and when they see that your account is also has boards that are in the same niche that they're interested in, they'll want to follow you because people want to follow people that are do like the same things that they're interested in. I tried this method and I was only able to add 150 people at one time. So I don't know if I can add more people during one day, maybe if I give it a few hours wait, but I did 151 people one day, and then now I'm going to work on doing 150 people today. So after I make this video, I'm going to work on gaining more followers. Now that you started following a lot of people, you can now start to pin content to your board. So you can go and look for other pins in your like your cat niche or your dog niche or your camping niche, and start to pin all the photos, put them on a board that you've created. So let's say you're in the cat niche, so you'd make a board for cats and then you just pin a bunch of things from other people onto your cat niche board. So now when people start noticing that you followed them from the cat niche, they'll see that, oh, you have a board with cats, so they're going to follow you because they want to see what photos you might bring to the table that they haven't seen before or that they might be interested in. And because of this, you can now slide your own content into there as well. So if you have content on your website or your YouTube channel about cats, now you can pin a post. We'd be like, hey, check out my channel if you want to find out like some tips about how you should take care of your cat, or maybe like the best foods for your cat. So now that you're starting to build the amount of pins that you have, you're putting out content for people to see, and you're starting to gain followers by following other people and hoping that they follow back. You'll start to slowly but surely gain traffic you can use to redirect to your blog or your YouTube channel. This may not be the best way to promote to get traffic, because even though you follow people, not everyone's going to follow you back, and it could take a while to like really build up a decent amount of followers where you get the traffic that you're looking for. But if you're looking for a free traffic source, it's definitely a good way to start. If people repin that content that you posted that's yours, someone else has the opportunity to see that content that doesn't follow you, and hopefully the chain will continue, and people will keep pinning that content, and you will gain traffic to your post, which people will want to check out the account, and then hopefully they'll follow you, gaining your followers, increasing your follower amount, and then also increasing the traffic that you get to your blog and your YouTube channel. Now this next thing is kind of like a personal tip for you. Once you create a board, you can divide up the items on the board into sections. So let's say you have a dog board, so you have one section for dog toys, one section for dog food, and if it's like that, then you can easily sort out your board and have like pictures organized so that when you find new pictures, you can kind of like put them into the different sections so that it isn't a mess. If a viewer comes to your page and views one of your boards, then they won't see the sections, they'll just see all the posts that you have in that board. But it's still it's a nice like organizational tool for you to use. Now I'm going to switch gears and talk more about the traffic. That is originally why I made this video, because I wanted to talk about the traffic that you could get on Pinterest. So millions of people use Pinterest every day, and it's a great way to get traffic. So it's definitely something that you shouldn't sleep on if you want to, get free traffic. If you're not at the stage where you want to start paying for ads to redirect people to your blog or YouTube channel. Many niches have a large following on Pinterest already, and it's easy to find people that are in your niche or boards in your niche that already have tens of thousands of followers already, because Pinterest has grown a lot over the last few years. So it's at a point where you can really get a lot of traffic on Pinterest that you can redirect to your blog or your website. It will help you out. If you're able to work up your Pinterest channel to a point where you have tens of thousands of followers, just imagine how many of those people you'll be able to redirect to your blog or your YouTube channel. With all of those, let's say even if 10% of those people went to your YouTube channel, that's still about 1,000 views. So you're doing pretty well for yourself if you can redirect 1,000 people to your website or your YouTube channel. I think the most important thing now that you're working on building your followers and putting out content to put on your Pinterest, make sure that you focus on sharing valuable content with people to see on your blog, on your YouTube channel, and your Pinterest, because you always want to provide people with valuable information. If they see your post on your Pinterest and go to your blog or your YouTube channel, there's nothing really there for them to look at, or nothing of value to them, then why would they subscribe? Why would they watch your videos? Why would they put a like on it? Why would they share with others? So during all of this, you want to make sure that you're still putting out valuable content for people to watch or to look at. Also, you don't want to just self-promote the whole time. Make sure that you do pin other people's content to your boards, and try to squeeze in your posts as well. So maybe you post 10 of someone else's post and then you put your own. You kind of just repeat the cycle, keep doing that over and over. It's kind of up to you, but just make sure you don't spam with your own links and stuff, because people aren't really into that. Anyway, that's it for today's video. If you want to see more videos like this, smash the thumbs up button and leave a comment down below. How do you get free traffic, and what are any tips for me or someone else that could read this comment on what they could do to increase their traffic?